Hello guys, welcome to your first tutorial on HTML. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you on the basics of HTML. So we're going to start with the basics now. We have what we call the doc type HTML, which is like this, the doc type HTML, the doc type HTML. The meaning of this doc type HTML is telling the browser that the doc stands for the document type is HTML. So you can see the document type is HTML. After that, we have what we call the HTML tag. So, some of the tags in HTML has a closing tag, and some of them doesn't have closing tag. Codes like this doc type HTML doesn't have a closing tag, but this HTML sure has a closing tag, which has a slash. Then after that, we have the head. In the human body, we have the head, isn't it? The head covers the part of the head is what carries the main things about this web page. The head is what carries the main things about the web page. In the human body, the head carries the brain and the main stuff about our body. So this head carries the main metadata of what is in our web page. We should add the title. You don't know what title is. This title, the title we are going to write here is not what is going to be displayed in the web browser, but it's what is going to be displayed when they typed. Like now, I write, let me say, coding school, the coding house. This, when someone writes coding house in his web browser, then my web page will just pop out. That's what this title is telling us. After that, we will close the head. After the head, we have, in the human body, after the head, we have the body, isn't it? So the next thing is the body, and the body sure has a close tag. So we'll do that. The body covers the other documents in the web page. Like now, in the human body, the head covers the brain and all the rest, but the hands cover more part of the bodies, such like the hand, the eye, the body, the chest, the stomach, and all the rest. So, but in this coding, all the stomach, all the hand, all the leg, all that are not going to be that, but it's going to be the P tag, the B tag, the strong tag, the emphasize tag, the italize tag, and all the rest. So I'm just gonna start with what we call the H1 to H6. H1 stands for heading 1. We have H1 to H6. We just have a limited heading, which is from H1 to H6. So let's write a code of H1 to H6. So we start with my coding school or my coding house. I'll copy this because I'll use it a lot in this tutorial. I'll take the H2, and this has close tag too, which you can see here. I'll add the H3. I'll just copy this, my coding school. I'll copy this, paste it. Okay, and then I'll change the numbers. 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's save our page and let's open this in a web browser. Okay, I'll do this. I'll just open this with our web browser. I love Google Chrome because it shows us different things. Okay, you can see the code. This is why I love coding, is just because it's not like magic. When it's all right, a piece of code, just make it appear. It's not like an Excel scanning the human body. When you write the code, it's not all what you wrote in the code that is going to appear in the web page. It's all like magic. So you can see the H1 here is very big, my coding school. The H2 here is smaller than the H1. The H3 is smaller than the H2 and the H1. The H4 is smaller than the one above it. The H5 is smaller than the ones above it. The H6 is the one smaller than the all the ones above it. So we are going to write something like, let me say, the p tag. We have what we call the p tag or paragraph tag. This paragraph tag enables us to jump from a line of text to the other line. Let me say I didn't have this paragraph. I just start with, I want to write like Gabriel is a boy at this point, at this, after this coding school, and I'll just write Gabriel is a boy. Okay, let me hit the save button again. I'll refresh my page. You can see it clearly. You can see it because the reason why it jump, because it has the close tag with the h2, but it isn't right to just use it like this. Why? Because we need to add the paragraph tag. You all know what is paragraph. You all know what is paragraph. Just like this, the p tag. Just do it like this. We'll close it. Okay, we'll move it to the next line of code. You can see the p tag, so we'll save this. I save this, I refresh my page. You can see it now. You can see Gabriel is a boy. It moved to another paragraph. I just saw something. Let me remove this p tag. Okay, I remove that. I will hit my save button again. You can see it. You can see there's no different visually, but there's difference telling the browser that this is a p tag, but that one is not a paragraph tag, but this one is a paragraph tag. After that, we'll move to what we call the bold tag and the bold tag and the italicized tag and the underline tag. Now I say I want to, so I'll write on that text. This is my first web page and I am very excited. So I want to make this thing bold. And I'm very excited. 1, 2, 3. Okay, exclamation point. I'll just add the b tag. After I add this, I'll just close the b tag here. I'll close it. I'll hit my save button again. Now you can see this. You can see that it's very thick. The text is very thick. What if I'll now make this my first web page? This web page, italicized means slant. So I'll just click the I tag, which stands for italicized. It also has a close tag, which I will hit the save button again. I will refresh my page. You can see now it's slant. It's not straight like this other one, but it's slant. Now I want to underline this first. I want to just underline it. I'll just move here, take the U tag, which is the underline tag. Okay, I'll move here, I'll take the underline, I'll close it, I'll hit the save button again, I'll refresh my page. Now you can see that it's been underlined. It's not thick like this board, but it's been underlined. Then we'll move to what we call the we'll move to what we call the EM tag, which is the emphasize tag. When we move further, when we dive deeper in this tutorial, I'll tell you what the EM tag stands for, which is the emphasize tag. So we'll just use the emphasize tag, and then I'll close it here. I'll close the emphasize tag. I will hit the save button. I'll refresh my page. You can see there's no difference here. But when we dive deep into this tutorial, I will teach you what this EM tag stands for. So that's gonna do it for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Comment to my videos for more updates. Thank you.